Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to discuss whatever the trade suggestions or the trade paper trade I've done in the last 1 month and I posted in social media. So I'm just going to show you the review. So what has happened? And in fact, many people, haters will always be there. Many times they accuse that, if things go right, he will keep it. If things go wrong, he will delete. And I can tell you with 100% surety, I have never deleted any of the trade related tweets. Maybe sometimes I post, some tweet that become a controversy, then I just remove it immediately. But the trade related post, I have never deleted anything. Okay, now without wasting the time, we will go here. If you look at on August 19th, I said markets are turning bearish. This may be a right time to execute this strategy. So this is a strategy I've given. If you want, you can go and check the YouTube. And now what has happened? I'll go to abstra.defineh.com portfolio. So this is where I save, and this is the trade I posted in that video. What I did in the month of October, I bought 20,000 put option, sold 19,000 put and 20,000 call. So that is because I was bearish. But I was bearish, the market is down only, but still the buy option, it has given about 1,000 rupees loss only. But however, the call and put sold has given more than 13,000 rupees profit. Even along with that loss also, the net there is a 12,000 profit. You click analyze the trade, you can see here the margin paid for this is about 2,43,000, and as of now there is a return of about 5%. So a trade which was, it was a paper trade, of course, not the real trade, executed on August 17th or 18th, and now it is giving more than 5% return in just 2 weeks, and that too after making some losses in the buy option. So this is one trade. I think I'm giving free promotion to these Abstra people. It's okay. Anyway, they are my friends only. So if you see the paper trade, whatever we do, it actually shows you on which date the trade was taken. This trade was taken on 17th, but the timing is evening 7:21 because it's a paper trade. So I've taken the prices as of closing price on 17th of August. So this is just only a paper trade. Okay. So once you enter the data in Abstra, you cannot go and change, you cannot do any editing of those things. So once you enter, it is there. Okay. Of course, you can modify the data. In fact, earlier, sometime in the month of July, I was bullish. I did a bullish strategy. And then when the markets became bearish, I told you, when the market Nifty broke 19,400, I became bearish. So I closed that bullish position and took the bearish position. So this has given more than 5% return in just 2 weeks. So this is one trade, and then another trade. Okay, this one slightly bearish strategy done on August 2nd morning, giving almost 6% return. Margin is about 1.25 lakhs. So this one I have put it here. So you go to the paper trade, and this is the trade. Nifty 2nd August. So what was done? 19,600 put option was bought, 1 lot. 20,000 call option was sold, 2 lots. 19,100 put option sold, 2 lots. So you can see the total 17,000 profit as of today, and the margin deployed is about 1,27,000. So it has given almost 13% return. The day I posted, it was about 6% return. I think it was August 22nd I posted the tweet. Now, in another 10 days, so the profit has gone to nearly 14%. So this is a second trade. Now, the third one is education time. This also I posted on August 17. One of my friends had these positions. He took these positions yesterday. What is his view? Will he make some profit? So these are all Bank Nifty, and that also I put it in a trade here. So that's a Bank Nifty. All the trades which I've shown in that social media post, I put it here. So there are some losses, some gains. Totally there is a profit of 1,31,000 profit. But this one margin is a very big margin. So margin is about 60 lakh rupees. For 60 lakh rupees, so 1,31,000 rupees profit is just about 2% only, not a big deal. But this strategy, because my friend was an HNI client, so he tend to trade with a huge quantity. So therefore he need a strategy where more money can be deployed, but profit is reasonable, is very happy. Again, so this has given about 2% profit in last 2 weeks. That means it gives 1% return per week is also something really very good. Then next one, suggested this strategy to one of my friends who is a high risk taker. There is a possibility of unlimited loss. This trade is to make some money out of volatility crash after the results. So this is a State Bank result. I just posted here, but I have not saved it in Abstract. But see here, State Bank of India 600 put option was bought at 20 rupees. But today it closed around 40 rupees. There's a 20 rupees profit. But whereas 550 put option sold, all gone to zero, and 650 call option sold also gone into zero. So that means here 3 times 345, that is around 10 rupees. 4 times 4 rupees, around 16 rupees. 16 rupees plus 10 rupees, 26 rupees was a profit. And lot size is 1500. So 26 into 1500 is almost 40,000 rupees. Plus in buying of option also, there's about 20 rupees profit. So just for one lot, there was a profit of more than 50,000 rupees, around 59,000, but the margin is 4,50,000. So which means that it has given more than 10% return. But I have not put it in Abstract. And then finally did 5 paper trades on August 1 and 2, closed one position as it was about to turn negative. Margin used is 6 lakh rupees and 6% profit is there as of August 22nd. Now here you come. So these are those 5 strategies I discussed. First strategy, I sold a call and put in August series, but that was because the market was crashing down from 19,800 to 19,250. Initially it was in a good profit, but it was about to turn negative, so I exited. So this is August trade. September trade, simply sold 18,800 put option and 20,600 call option in the beginning of August, and later because the market has fallen, the 20,600 call option was squared off and 20,000 call option was sold. So this is giving a decent profit. The profit as of today it is 4,700. The margin money for this is approximately 1 lakh rupees. So it has given about 4%, 5% return. Whereas this strategy, it has given almost 0% return. But what is more interesting, once technically Nifty became bearish, so to capture that, I have done this strategy, which is just few minutes before I shared. So that has given a fantastic profit of 17,000. And then before that, I've taken a little bit bullish view for the month of December. So what I did, I bought a 19,000 call option, which is actually in a loss of 24,000 rupees. I sold 21,000 call option, 4 times the quantity. But later, when the markets turned bearish, I thought, why should I keep 21,000 call option when the markets have turned bearish? So the 4 lots, 21,000 call option I sold, I squared it off, I made 19,000 profit. After squaring up these 4 lots, I sold 20,000 call option, 2 lots. Only in those call options I am getting a very good profit, about 40,000. But the buying of 19,000 call option resulted in 22,000 rupees loss. In addition to this, I also sold 18,000 put option, 3 lots. That's also giving a minor loss. But the best part of this is that if you go to the analysis, the margin money for this is only about 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees now sitting with a 14,000 profit, so which is about 7% return in just 1 month. Because this trade was done on 2nd of August to end of August, just only 1 month, it has given 7% return. And many people tend to think that, trading in the short term is very good because the time decay is very fast. But you can look here, I've done one August trade has given 0 profit, September trade given 4,000 profit, but December trade is giving 17,000 profit and 14,000 profit. Of course, August trade giving very much profit, but that's because a directional view. I took a bearish view and the markets fell. Then this is another beautiful strategy. I was not sure whether the market will be going up or will be going down. So what I did, I bought 19,000 call one lot, sold 20,000 call two lots, which is a call ratio. Then I bought 21,000 put and sold 20,000 put, double the lots. So this is one call ratio and also one put ratio. Combining these two is called double ratio. But there is some loss. 19,000 call option is giving a loss. 20,000 put option is giving loss. But other two legs are giving profit. So overall, the profit is about 17,000. And if you go to analyze the trade, the margin money for this is only about 1.5 lakh rupees. For 1.5 lakh rupees, in 1 month, this strategy has given 13% return. In fact, the best return has come from this trade. Number one, this is a long-term trade, not short-term. Number two, this is a non-directional trade. We don't know the direction. Many people think, trading in the short term only, it will give very good profit. But the contrary, you trade in the long term, your break-even will be very, very high, very, very wide, and still you can make better return. This is what I've been teaching in my workshop. My intention is to shift the traders from trading in the very short term to long term. 90% of the volume traded in exchanges is done in weekly options. And because nowadays they have everyday expiry. Monday one expiry, Tuesday one expiry, Wednesday one expiry, Thursday one expiry, Friday one expiry. People tend to trade in expiry day, intraday, short term. But trading in long term is always much better. In fact, until now, I've been making more than $25,000 per month in trading in US markets. There mostly I trade only in the long term options. So this video is already very long. That US market, I will come out with another video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.